That's got a lot of noise in it. Okay, so Lord of the Rings. Effectively, two midgets try and throw a ring into a mountain of fire. Okay? Fantastic. Okay. In Oxford, no idea what Lord of the Rings is. No idea. Right. Okay. Alicia, just do what you can. You are doing the sound effects for James, who is Frodo, and Jack, you will be doing the sound effects for Sonny, who is Fat Sam. Okay? Take it away!
Mr. Frodo, Mr. Frodo!
Yes, Sam?
We have to throw that ring in that fire, you know?
Yeah, let's do that. But we better get some rest first.
Mr. Frodo, do you love me?
I love you, Sam. I thought you'd never say it, Sam.
Great.
Gollum! I told you about watching us!
Oh, you right, fuck off, Gollum, dude.
I don't use such language, you know, it upsets me.
Kiss me loudly on the cheek. That's lovely, that's
I
lovely.
sort of just licked you a little bit there.
Alright, we gotta throw this here ring in this here fire.
Is it right there?
Oh, yes, right there.
Ooh, that's easy.
You got the ring?
Yeah.
Let me carry that burden there for you.
No! You want to take it on me!
What's wrong, Mr. Frodo? Isn't like you? You've got all red-eyed and what have you?
I'm feeling very angry. Let a rock fall.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
It's Gollum and he's gonna fuck me right in my pussy.
Get out of here, Gollum. The ring's mine. The ring's mine.
I'm angry.
I'm happy.
Really angry. I'm gonna punch Gollum right in his gut.
You're a little bit of a pussy, Sam, aren't you? You should have a real punch.
Give him a punch.
I think it's just his rubber skin.
I think it's because we're so small we cannot punch. I'll try. Let's try and punch him at the same time.
Let's hold. This will work, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sure, Mr. Sam.
He's going all the way in the fire.
Oh, yes. What does that sound like?
Hey, chuck the ring in then.
Yeah, all right. Right, let's walk off back to the Shire.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
You know, it was much easier getting back than it was getting there.
Hey,
All the
look.
fucking eagles have turned
Hey,
up.
fucking, where have you been this whole coming time?
Really? I mean, come on. You could have just dropped yourself outside more if that was a problem.
I nearly lost my dick to Sheila, I did.
I did lose my dick. They just showed it in the film, but it happened.
Alright, leave it there, all right, guys.